What's going on, guys? Today we went to Gyu Kaku. It's a Japanese barbecue chain restaurant with several locations across the United States. We visited the Las Vegas restaurant. It's located in a shopping center on the corner of West Spring Mountain Road and South Decatur Boulevard. It's about 10 minutes from the Wynn Las Vegas. There are a couple things you need to know about the restaurant. First, masks are still required to enter the establishment. Currently, all-you-can-eat option is not available, and there's also a 90-minute dine-in limit. Since all-you-can-eat was not available, we went with the meat lovers option. The menu says it's for 2 people, but our server had no problem with us sharing with our son.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Also, I have to say the service at this restaurant was excellent. All in all, the food was really good. Our favorites were the garlic rice, sirloin, and the toro beef, or as Ryan, our server, will call it, the beef bacon. The lack of all-you-can-eat is going to be a deal breaker for me because, as you can see at the end of the video, it just wasn't enough food for me. I had to order 3 more servings of beef. But once the all-you-can-eat returns, we'll be back for more.
It sound right, boys.
Well, that's about it, guys. If you like this type of content, remember to like and subscribe. Also, let us know about some other good spots to eat around Las Vegas down below in the comments. See you on the next one.